Started off, the idea was, and briefing also to Blues and Coppers was very clear, that we want a minimalistic feel, try to keep it as clean as possible, which is how we start in our business. The amount of creativity which Blues and Coppers is able to bring is quite commendable, and generally from my experience I have seen several iterations going in, and here in this case the first cut that came in was already finalized, which also demonstrates the visualization from idea into execution from Blues and Coppers.